Let me show you how to solve this kind of math question on the board. The question says, if square root of 72 plus another square root of 72 is equal to m root n, find the value of 2m plus 3n. If you want to solve this question correctly, first you need to do is to tackle the question from this equation. Not just this equation, but the left-hand side of the equation. What you're going to do is, you're going to evaluate this, or you're going to simplify this such that it will look exactly like this. And then from there, you compare to get the value of m and n. After you have gotten the value of m and n from this, the next thing you're going to do is to substitute the value of the m and n into this expression and then evaluate it to get your final answer. Let me show you. This is the solution. We have square root of 72 plus another square root of 72 equal to m root n. To solve this side of the equation, you have to break each of these numbers down into 2, such that one of the numbers will be a perfect square and the other one will be a non-perfect square. This 72 here can be written as 36 times 2. So in place of this, we have square root of 36 times 2. Then plus this one can be written as 36 times 2. Because 36 times 2 gives us 72. Then equal to m root n. According to rule of third, anytime you have two numbers inside square root sign like this with multiplication, that you can simply separate the numbers and give each of them square root sign. Meaning, you can write this as the square root of 36 times square root of 2 plus, you do the same here, square root of 36 times square root of 2. When we do that, we're going to have square root of 36 is 6, because 6 times 6 will give us 36. So square root of 36 is 6. That 6 now times root 2 give us 6 root 2. 6 root 2 plus square root of this will give us 6 times root 2 give us 6 root 2 as well. Then everything now equal to m root n. Now we are supposed to put equal to m root n here. So now let us do the addition. Because we have root 2 inside the square root sign, we have root 2 and we have root 2 here. So we can simply add these two. And when we are adding, we make use of the number in front. 6 plus 6 will give us 12. We have 12. Then because root 2 is common, we pick one of them. And then equal to m root n. Now if you compare these two sides of the equation, you can see that this 12 and this m, they are occupying the same position. That means we can say that m is equal to 12. Also, if you compare this n and these two, you can see they are occupying the same position. You can say n is equal to 2. But the question says we should find the value of 2m plus 3n. So our 2m plus 3n will be equal to, anywhere we see m, we are going to put 12. Anywhere we see n, we are going to put 2. So we have, let me do that here. We have 2 times, in place of this m, we put 12. Plus 3, in place of the n, we put 2. 3 times 2. So we're going to have 2 times 12 is 24. Then plus 3 times 2 is 6. If we add this to 24 plus 6, that will give us 30. And this is the answer to this question. I hope you find this video helpful.